When you look at that person now, and again, I'm noting that you're having a hard time watching yourself sometimes, just these clips. But now, I mean, do you like the way you look on camera? Is it something you think about?
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It depends on how well I'm lit.
Fantastic lighting in here.
It depends on my makeup and all kinds of things.
You're 54 years old, and you've talked. And people on my staff have asked and wondered, have you had any work done, and how do you feel about that? People getting plastic surgery.
I mean, I think that I'm not saying that I won't. At some point, I think it's harder and harder the older you get to say never, especially being in the public eye. I also don't think it doesn't really matter. You know, I think if people want to go do something here or there, who cares? You know, if it makes them feel a little bit better about themselves. What I object to is too much and really bad plastic surgery, you know, when I think it becomes a distraction and when people don't look like themselves anymore.
So a little bit, whether it be plastic surgery or fillers or Botox.
Yeah,
okay.
I mean, as long as they're not hurting themselves, I guess, you know, and as long as it doesn't overtake them and, you know, I guess.
Right,
I mean, who cares, right?
Well, I'm just curious. I honestly don't know, because I think in Hollywood there's this huge... I mean,
as long as your face still moves and you can show expression.
Which isn't always the case.
Which isn't always the case.
Is it a double standard for men and women? I mean,
men are doing it too, Sanjay.
Men are doing
Come
it
on.
too. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I believe you. But women have it harder, I would imagine. I mean, just is the double standard that you hear about, is it real?
It is definitely, women have it harder for sure. But I think increasingly men are, because we're such an age-obsessed society, you know, youth-obsessed society, and in terms of in the workplace, and we're living longer and we want to work longer, and, you know, and sometimes it doesn't matter if you're still at the top of your game, or you're fit, and you look great for your age,
right,
and you still have a lot to contribute. You know, it's there's somebody younger and newer and fresher